very warm welcome everyone. I am Kanishka Sharma and with me is Vaishnavi. We are from Wipro Odin project under sustainability and waste. And today we have our proud alumni of school, Ms. Nishtha Talwar.
Hello everyone, thank you for inviting me.
So let's begin on this note.
Okay, so our first question is that we would like to ask that how you entered this profession and what all things encouraged you to enter this profession.
To be very honest, like I never had a thought about this. Like I'm joining this profession because I was totally into interiors, and after that, I don't know. Like my sister-in-law, she went to Mumbai. She just suggested me to go to NIM college, and from there you can have an experience of doing this events and everything. So when I went there to NIM college in Mumbai, and there just like everything was so dreamy because I just attended award shows, Filmfare Awards, IFA Awards, everything. So there I got वहाँ मुझे लगा कि this is my profession. I really want to do this. So and I just I was into this only because मैं ज़्यादा उसमें नहीं थी studies and all में. Of course everyone knows, my teachers knows, and I always used to enjoy in all these practical things and everything. So there I just decided my career कि I just perform this. Yeah.
So I would say it was totally unexpected journey.
Yeah, totally unexpected.
Okay. So next I would like to know from you that are the events are still celebrated in the same way as in your childhood?
No, not at all. Today's generation is like people are spending more, and we have so many ideas. We all know we have like graphic designers. Like even I, when I have to design the like wedding, so I visit to graphic designers. वहाँ पे जाके मैं उनसे proper designing करवाती हूँ कि मुझे ये design चाहिए. And पहले के time पे people were like they just place the tents and DJ आता था and people just was like कि ठीक है हो गया शादी हो गई that's it. And now we are totally concerned about our decor, food, dresses and everything. It's totally the huge difference.
Okay, so what changes have you noticed in the way the festival was celebrated like earlier times? Like in during our grandparents' time, have you noticed any changes like?
At that time, people were more devotee, they were
Yeah.
spiritual. And today's time, like people are, it's totally about show and shine.
Yeah.
So people are like, they are more into entertainment part, leelas and everything. And usse pehle people were like, they used to make the clay idols of Krishnas, or we can say any of the idols we can say. And they use lamps and everything. ठीक है, but today's time they are using the lights and the DJs and everything. बहुत सारी चीजें changed है, and people are more into entertainment. They are not so much devoted and spiritual.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And what do you think that what kind of waste are introduced in the events right now?
There's a huge waste of course, but still we are aware of all these things. Like the decorative things are, even I use the plastic flowers a lot, but I just keep them stored, ठीक है, so that मैं उसको जितने events हैं उसमें ज़्यादा use करूँ. तो and more like plastic things also, decorative items, banners and everything, तो मैं उसको ज़्यादा store करके रखती हूँ because मेरी और जितने events में use हो सकता है वो ज़्यादा better है.
Yeah.
So the waste is huge. Still, event managers and wedding designers, we know the waste is huge, but still we are getting we are aware of all these things. We are improving ourselves, but it's difficult to improve because लोगों का taste is like इतना ज़्यादा हो चुका है. They are like, no, we want more items, everything more. They want everything new in the weddings and anything, any event.
Yeah, exactly. So what do you think? Are they properly disposed of and segregated?
No, they are not. To be very honest, no. Some are, but not everything.
Okay, that's the harsh truth actually.
Yeah.
So do you know anyone like who celebrate events, festivals or marriages in eco-friendly way?
Yeah, there are some colleges and schools and some families. They are not into so much show off.
Yeah.
They are like, we should have intimate weddings, and they enjoy the festivals at their homes. वो खुद ही garlands घर पे बना रहे हैं, खुद ही diyas and all सब कुछ celebrate कर रहे हैं. we have many families like these, but I think बहुत कम है, and we can say communities भी ऐसी बहुत कम है, and we should grow this kind of community. We should go for this eco-friendly and everything, because इस time technologies इतनी ज़्यादा है, and हमारी nature के साथ we are playing and playing and playing, and nature is getting disturbed, and as you can see what's all is happening in the world.
Like number is less.
Yeah, number is very less. Because we are, we are the people, like हमें shortcut पसंद है, जो ready-made available है, we just buy it. But our grandparents were like, नहीं, हम लोग खुद घर पे बनाएंगे. So there's a huge difference. So time देते थे इस चीज़ को, and हमारे पास time नहीं है इस चीज़ का.
Exactly. And what do you think? Like reusable or biodegradable items are used in the event or not?
Yeah, it is. Like if we do South Indian weddings,
Yeah.
we used to provide the food, like जो मेरा रहता है, in banana leaves, so that looks different also. People enjoy also, and that is something unique also. And like if we go in many things, people give in a plastic plates. We can see thermocol plates and all, cups and these plates and all. I think we should provide that in steel plates, chandi plates, steel plates that are reusable. Of course, plastics का तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं हमें use करना चाहिए events में.
Brightness.
So do you follow some R's like reuse, recycle?
Yes, of course. We use like in reuse thing we can say about flowers and decorative more items, so that can be used for our further weddings. And if you talk about reduce things, so usme is like ki we banana leaves, like plastic the plates and everything, we use that also. And if you talk about recycle, in that bottles and papers can be recycled.
Yeah, okay. And as we all know that Janmashtami is the upcoming festival right now,
Yeah.
right? So I'll ask you regarding that only. So in your opinion, that what are the eco-friendly alternatives that we can use celebrating the Janmashtami?
So I think people should make the idols of Krishnas at home, clay idols, and people should eat on the banana leaves. If you're celebrating, if you're doing the small event or an intimate event, people should use, like if you're serving the prasad, they should give on the in like banana leaves or steel plates. And secondly, bhajans chalao, and entertainment or DJs mat chalao, of course. This is this is the Janmashtami. This is not the parties going on, because people are celebrating in such a way.
Okay, so how do you feel that your juniors are working on such an eco-friendly and environmental project?
Honestly, I'm feeling very proud. You all are working on this, and I would say कि स्कूल की legacy वही चल रही है. पहले भी हमारे टाइम पे भी यही थी, and अब भी यही है. All the best if you're working on this, and आप ये awareness कर रहे हो, और ये हमारे लिए भी बहुत important है, of course. Thank you.
That's pleasure for us.
Yeah, exactly. Thank you so much, ma'am, for
Thank
sharing your
you.
precious time with us.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So much.